dan kam bagi pulit kin proper ya ka proper procedure of law nga keren hapi mentak segi pai ba jogari ka long ba ni ibon ki belajar kajing syak kena bakit doyong tu kit bian yu doyong dan kaji kena bagi pulit ki don ki don serious offenses ajing syak ki bajah kalian sudong ya tadi kajing jabo doyong Henry haduk mentak segi nyimpat di ya ki inquiry ke babian ni gahap ketika do ni expect but at least a detailed inquiry by the anti-corruption branch should be conducted. Suo modo, the police department should have conducted an inquiry into all this. Henry ngi iba haka bayde ko paiba kadon ka enthusiasm lani ka kamdon ke enthusiasm ko majai kiti kilo lade report bau tija ki ong am lalai kali kali domestic hadian pada adalah Women's Commission kalau action ni kan ni syak bernyam pada kita ki officer. Haka juga rupam rup ni pek ke baca balik kami ki beri support kisnong kita. Ni syukwa bagi pulit can follow the due process of law, but ya ki belum justified but investigate. Tam ki allegations of corruption, they should investigate. Kata kadikat. Ka kubur ka mga kuat ng taas ki but haka juga por ipai ba ki ban susu ka hok ka. Daro pulit one camp pidon ka hok ban tip si ai kira ai ki basakan. Pidon ka hok ban yo ya ka chalan ka bakin IP ban lakem ban patip ki baye. Ki idon ka hok ka medikan pidon ka hok ban yo plida but ya kanu no ka cinsya kem ka hapo news na. Lada ki tre ban lech tanap ban ai statement ban yarap ban tre lang pulit benar ka. Marbli manta PE ka long kunay pa crime law is on the rise. Not only crime is on the rise, kampam kata kapi on the assault case, nata kani kacimbang mission sangat, kadon, kata ngimla mo. Kaya ka balong kam kalong ba ki dorbas no. Ki don kam bandon kacing itu ni pulit. Kam bandon ka volunteer force biak subo. Mar ngimla ban expect bu pulit unbo iki police patrolling hakalagi. Kadon kam ba ki dorbas no mantan itu iki dakaan naka police department depan itu iki ba urang pas nong identify kino ki badon ala ka volunteer force kinyo ka ID kin patrol ya kasnong bala itu daga snong ki patrol ya kasnong ki don ka jing lang ba kasnong te kani ka wi ka long bang sutna ba DGPU ulaya ya kalti ka badai do konsol ya kada pas nomor pi don ka mar konsol ka pas nomor urang pas dong hacing sa udon ka rol ka jong ka ba kya ba ka dor pas nong hi ka de ka bayada ka hok jong inok no dor pas nong ka de ka ba pe ka ba ka miat ka no tagadaw ki police authorities they have to work with dor pas de nomor ka tagadaw ki police dari gidon ka grievance subo kumaki ong ni ka de news item ga mai ki ong ba ki ong ni therefore the finding of the Women's Commission is that there was gross negligence of the police to take action against the accused. Gross negligence. Kaya indicate. They have a lap ekani, lapa sa police department, lani sa minister, lani sa DGP, lani ununo officer ba day pet yakani. Kila day institute ka inquiry, but yaka departmental proceeding ka ban pensisa lani ban ong ba kamda. P ba police officer uba police uniform unbarnya kata ketika it is against the democratic setup jong constitution of India para kajuk poro it is against all laws nomor pulit umla ban he has to act under the parameters of the law vi nomor play the police ketika force which is working under discipline. It has to work under discipline. It has to work under the mandate of the law. Kadon kam ba baki pa iba kin simjikan. Abang ong simjikan. Kawai ka mga lango kalong report jong ba si. Chester, thank you. Ka report ka jong hadok man pa ka government company ka namar balay. Matrahan to ka don ki adverse findings jong ka commission jong justice by kay. Kadon ki adverse finding against the police. But the people have a right to know. And those who are responsible especially the police personnel who are responsible. They have to be brought to justice. Takadaw ngaro nga demand biang matakasli by a report jong Justice Waipay on the extrajudicial shooting of Chester Hangkil. It must be made public. Dadakim pelong public ya kadon ka suspicion against the MDA government, kadon ka suspicion against the police. There is a lack of confidence. There is a lack of trust that will be created and that will remain, that if the air is not cleared by releasing that report.